Having trouble logging into Hamster Kombat? In this video, I'll show you a super easy fix that'll get you back in the game fast. And by the end of this video, you'll be amazed at just how easy it was to fix. Let's dive in. First, let's start by checking your network connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection by turning on your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you're connected, it's important to check for any updates to both your app and your device. To do this, open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Telegram. If an update is available, tap the Update button. Next, ensure your device's operating system is up to date. Open the Settings menu, go to General, and tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install the latest version. After updating, the next step is to clear the app cache. Since Hamster Kombat is played within Telegram, open the Telegram app and go to the main page. Tap on Settings at the bottom right, then scroll down and select Data and Storage. On the Data and Storage page, tap on Storage Usage, and then select Clear Entire Cache twice to confirm. This will clear the Telegram app's cache. Additionally, make sure you've enabled all necessary permissions for the app, such as contacts. After enabling the required permissions, return to the chat screen and search for Hamster Kombat in the search box. Click the play button to reconnect to the Hamster Kombat bot. If none of these steps work, try deleting the Telegram app and reinstalling it. Once reinstalled, attempt to connect to the Hamster Kombat bot again, and this time, your issue should be resolved. So, those are some of the fixes you can try if you encounter issues with Hamster Kombat not loading or logging in. I hope this helps, and if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe because we've got more videos on Hamster Kombat coming soon. Don't miss out on the latest tips and tricks.